Hello friends, welcome to our channel where we will enjoy to interact and learn from each other. Our channel is all about lifestyle, traveling, cooking, shopping, and many other things that involve our daily life. Let's rock this together by subscribing, commenting so that I can learn from you guys. Cheers! Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do my first unboxing in 2020, and I hope you guys are going to love this video as much as I'm loving it. And there are so many things to come, and you know guys, this is the first time I had to use my YouTube channel after 6 years of not using it due to being busy with my kids, and I had no time. I hope I'm going to use my channel as much as I can this year because my little kids are now big. They're going to kindergarten and school. So this is the moment and the chance I can show you about my traveling, fashion, lifestyle, cooking, and so many other things. So guys, let's see what is inside in this box, and hope we are all going to love what is inside now. Let me do this. Okay, let me put this here, and then I have to, hope you guys can see. Now let me do this. Okay, here we go. So we have to see what is inside here. Here it is, and here we go. Okay, so I think this is really big, enough space for my, when I'm traveling, enough space for my shopping, and you can see it. It's really good. Okay, so I hope we are going to have more videos, not only for bags but for shoes. I'm into shoes, I love shoes, and I already have my wish list for my shoes, although not yet here. And I hope we are going to have more of my lifestyle. Sometimes my kids will be here, sometimes also my husband in case he wants to, but my kids, and also about traveling, and the museum visiting, a lot of things, what we do at home. And sometimes I can show you a little bit of what's going on here at home. We have a kind of like a little museum at our house, odd pictures, antique stuffs, and I love to do such things, and I can't wait to have summer to work in the garden and all those things to show you guys. And so at the moment, this is the bag I have. I'm so happy I have it, and hope we are going to see each other again, to enjoy more of the videos and to know each other a little bit more. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and not to say to my channel, to our channel, because it will be a great time to interact with you guys and have fun. You need to comment. I need to learn from you guys. There are so many things that I'm going to learn also from you guys, and what you're going to learn from me, and hope we can have fun together. Okay, bye.